Mustang coupe.
I asked Ed if I could pick up the board so I could talk about this gorgeous Shelby, and he says, just don't drop it on the hood. I'm like, yeah, of course. This, my friends, which I didn't know, I shot some pictures of it, Instagrammed it on Thursday, talked about it a little bit from behind the lines or over there. But now I'm behind the scenes, kind of. I'm inside the area. This is a 1969 Shelby GT500 with a 428 Cobra Jet, 4-speed, and a 3.50 rear. Locking, oh gosh, I forgot the locking traction lock, 3.50 gear ratio on the rear end. She's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I get really excited about it when I see patina on a car that looks like it's got original paint, because it's all about being original with these cars. Yeah, you want to paint it, make it glossy and all this stuff. But believe it or not, if you got a car similar to this one and it's original paint, and I don't know that to be a fact yet, but it sure looks like it. I'll show you why I think that. It's worth a lot of money the way it is. Not touching it. Leave the history on it. All right, so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to grab this board and I'm going to read to you real quick some of the details on the car. Do you mind? Thank you, sir. All right, I got the board. Okay, so for interior on the car, it's grabber blue exterior, of course, with white belt line stripes, a fastback sloping rear deck, mile-long sculpted, oh wait, it's got a little sales copy in it, a mile-long sculpted pony hood with 3 inlets and some thumbs up to keep it secure. In 1969, the Cobra was eliminated. This car became the late 60s definition of the pony car. Yes, that is a 1969 Shelby GT500. I want it, but I can't afford it. All right, so yeah, it's got the whole deal. And you saw the engine. Well, you're going to see the engine in the next clip, and you're going to get to see a real close-up view of a 428 Cobra Jet. I'm going to show you some details on it right now that you're going to see that are indicators that this is an original paint job on a real 1969 Shelby GT 500. Can you tell I love the car? I love the car. This is definitely not tripod. Ed's opening the hood to the car. Yes, he is. Look, there's already an audience going in for this car because that's how special a 428 Cobra Jet is. It's a rare motor, and it's very exciting to even be next to one. Just like the Cobra, which is like over there behind that red car. It probably should have vinyl on the top, but that's a whole nother story. Let's look at the engine on this 69 Shelby GT 500. I'm just joking around with it.
Cobra Jet.
There it is, guys.
Ram Air.
Oh, it's got the Ram Air on it. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That is bone stock. It's even got the what's it called? The patina. The patina on the valve covers. Look at that. That's the real deal. This almost looks like original paint in here. Is this original paint, this car? Do you know, Ben?
I'm not sure.
We don't know? If this is original paint, I mean, that's the old Ford blue. That's not the new Ford blue on the block. Belts are brand new belts. That's got to be a faux battery top, right? That's not a real battery. Is that a real battery? That looks like a real battery, not a faux battery. I've seen those faux tops before, but that looks like a real one. And that, my friend, yeah, that is a Cobra Jet Ram Air. You find one of these somewhere in the backyard, you know, on a rusty old find, that's like finding gold. Because this engine is so rare, you wouldn't believe it. And it's an animal. This was actually sold off the showroom floor like that. And you could be driving this car home. Well, I probably wouldn't drive it on the road. I'd be too afraid of somebody texting and running in the back of it. Look, it's got the original stickers from Ford. The F, the T, the P, and the B. Do you see it? You see it?
Yeah.
Those are original stickers. I'd love to know if this is an original paint job. I think this is an original paint job. This looks like a totally original car. So you can investigate it further, make a call on it to them, and let them know. But everything's screaming original to me. See that little bit of wear and tear on the lines for the wipers. This is a look. This hose is disconnected. This hose is disconnected right here. Oh, it's right there. It fits right here. Can I fix your car? There it is. Look, they got to get a new tube. This is hard, just like it's original. See this line right here? It comes right off. Sorry, I didn't mean to break your car, Ed. But that is showing originality to me. I believe that's original. The bolts look original. Oh man, I'm getting more and more excited the more I look at this car. It's in the details, guys. And again, I showed you the interior before. You can see it in other videos. Oh, thank you, Ed. That's the original deluxe door with the, there's that icon. I know everybody's drooling right now. I know you are, because I am. Look at that shifter. Can I drive it, Ed? Can I drive it?
Sure.
He said, sure. I'm going to hold him to that. Maybe I will be making a road trip. And I think it's got 80,000. Can you look? I think it's got 80,000 miles on it. Would you check it?
Yeah.
I think it's 80,000. What is it? What is it?
80,098 miles.
Okay, I don't think it's turned over. I think this is really 80,000 miles.
Sure.
I really do. I've been fooled before, but if this one's fooling me, then this is a hell of a restoration because I think it's original. Look at the tailpipes. Look, the patina. See the patina on the tailpipes? You don't see that on a restoration. Everything's perfect on a restoration. That looks original. Am I right, guys? What do you think? I think so. I think so. Oh, I want this car. I wish I had money, Ed.